see that? Oil is being mixed. Okay, that's how it performs. Oil is being mixed. Okay, so production of carbon inside is minimized. So this is the less carbon design nozzle discovered by Casinit Vlogger. So credits to our fellow vlogger Casinit from Bani, Pangasinan. So shout out to you, paring Casinit, for your discovery. So our problem with the carbon is being solved. Okay, so until then, thank you for watching. We will adjust at low speed. Okay, that's the low speed, and still it is blue flame performance. So that's the performance at low speed. So okay, so let's adjust to the lowest one. Let's see if it's still blue flame. Still it is blue flame performance. So okay, I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you, and please hit the like and share, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated for our new video uploads. Thank you. We will make a different holes combination. We'll make another T. We will reduce all the holes to 1.5 millimeter, including the oil pump, according to Casinit. So this one, these are 2 millimeter holes, so we will make them all 1.5 millimeters, including here at the top and at the bottom. These are 2 millimeter holes, so let us make them also 1.5 millimeter. So all of them will be 1.5 millimeter. So I bought new and plug. So now we will make all holes 1.5 millimeter with this drill bit. This is 1.5 millimeter. So we will make a hole here for 1.5 millimeter. Okay, that's easier. We will now make a hole with this T. So okay, we're done. So these are the combination of holes. Four holes downward, so this will stand this way. 4 holes downward, 1.5 millimeter. 4 holes straight, interval. This one, then 4 holes on the aligned with the slanted down holes. No holes aligned with these straight holes. Only those who are slanted downward have holes on top of them. Oh, there's one more here. So on the top, straight holes, 8 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, 8 holes. So we'll have one more hole here. Okay, so end plug will go here, the top. And this one will go here, the bottom portion. It will be installed here. So we will install this one alternate with the down directed holes. We will adjust it here this way, so they are alternate with the upper directed downward holes. Okay, let us test this nozzle. And also here, these are interval with the lower holes. So this one, how they are interval the top holes. Okay, let's try this one. Let's flame test this one. So let's insert this nozzle inside our chamber so we can test this one. So let's install it this way. A little more. So okay, that would be good. Let's test this one. So ito mga kabakal, so this one, we will try this one. This with the all 1.5 millimeter holes combination. Let's open the blower. Okay, looks smoother flame. So this is better for household use. Okay, performs much better than the bigger holes. Looks okay. This looks better. Okay, this is much better. More cool than the 2 millimeter hole combination, lower portion of the nozzle. So oil is being mixed. Okay, let's try to put a pan. Let's adjust the speed of the blower. This one. Okay, so this is much better than the 2 millimeter holes. These are 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 millimeter holes, all of them. So this performs better. That nozzle with 2 millimeter holes performs very heavy, and this one is more convenient to use than that of the heavy duty design. Okay, if there is no pan on top of it, it is normal that there is an orange flame, but if you put a pan on top of it, there will be no more orange flames, but it's still, it is so strong flame. So this is really a very good design of nozzle, the with air pump combination, according to Cassinic Blogger. So still performs so strong. Okay, but it's much lighter than the 2mm combination of holes. Okay, let's try to speed up the blower. That's the performance of the maximum speed of the blower. It is not like the 2mm holes combination that it is so strong flame. This one is not that strong, but the pressure, you can see the pressure. You can see the pressure. Okay, this is much better than the 2mm holes combination. So we will put at half speed. Okay, half speed will do. This is more better performance than the 2mm holes. Let's slow it more. Let's adjust to slower, more slower speed. Okay, so this is good. We are good with this 1.5mm combination, all of the holes. This performs better. Okay, even if we adjust to the full speed, it is not as strong as the holes with the 2mm nozzle. So you can see the difference. That's the performance at full speed, while the nozzle with 2mm combination have so strong flame. So okay, so this is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 5 speed. Okay, much better. So this combination is much better than the 2mm holes. Okay, but still it is so strong flame. You can see that, still so strong flame. Okay, let's adjust to slower speed. So that flame, that orange flame, is normal when there is no pan on top of it. But if you put a if you put a pan, it performs blue flame. So okay, we have much better performance than the 2mm holes combination. These 1.5 holes, all of the combination of holes are 1.5 millimeter drill bit. Okay, performs better and more mixing performance of the oil underneath, so less production of carbon.